Hello, in this video, we'll be treating some past questions in SSCE and UTME. Question 1. What is accounting concepts? There are principles that must be taken into consideration when preparing accounting statements. Question 2. Explain the following. Roman figure 1, convention of conservation. 2, consistency convention. Now, what is convention of conservation? This has to do with accountant view in respect to the organization he or she is working for. 2, consistency convention. This principle states that similar transactions within the same period or between one period and another should be treated with statements of accounts. That is the answer. That will be all for accounting concept and convention. Look at the advisory notes where I've prepared some tips for you in order to prepare you better for your exams that is coming ahead. Thank you.